everyone, to another episode of iWork Weekly. This week we are going to do kind of a specific tutorial. It's actually for a client of mine, but I thought that my other viewers might find it helpful as well. What we're going to do is we're going to create a document in iWork in Pages. We're going to export it as a PDF. We are going to save that PDF in our Dropbox, in our public Dropbox folder. And if you're unaware of this, every document that is in your public folder in your Dropbox account has a unique URL. And once we have that URL, we can create a web page. So I'll go over this step by step, and I hope you find this helpful. First of all, here's my document. It's a document that I've come up with over the last few years on how to maximize your audio when you're doing a Skype conference call. And I call it the ABCs of Skype conference calling. Actually, it's ABCD in those steps you see right here. And I've created this document in Pages. And what I want to do first, and you can do this in Microsoft Office as well, the first thing I'm going to do is to go up and I want to share this document. If I just save it, it will save the document as a Pages document, but I want it to be accessible to everyone. So I'm going to save it as a PDF. I'm going to export it out of Pages as a PDF. In Pages, you can also export it out as a Word document, a rich text file, plain text, and an EPUB. But I'm going to export it out as a PDF. And I'm going to lower the quality a little bit so it's a smaller file. That way it'll also load on the internet quicker. And I'm exporting it as a PDF. And I'm going to hit next. The next step will be, it will ask me where I want to save that document, and I'm going to go to my Dropbox folder. And within my Dropbox folder, I have a public folder. I'm going to open up the public folder, and I'm going to export this document. It's the ABC of Skype.pdf into my public folder. And so there we go. Exported. And now I'm going to quit Pages. And I'll go to my Finder, and in the Finder window, I will go to my Dropbox. And I'm going to open up the public folder. And here is that document. Now, if I right-click, if you're using a MacBook Pro, you would do a two-finger click on your trackpad, or hold the Control key down on your keyboard, and you get the right-click menu, or what's also called the contextual menu. If you notice right here, we have Dropbox is in the menu. And since I have this file selected, I'm going to go to Dropbox, and I'm going to click on Copy Public Link. So I'm going to copy the public link. So now this document here has a unique web address and unique URL, and I've copied that URL. So now I can go into Safari, so here I am in one of my WordPress sites, and it is themacauthority.com, and I'm going to create a page entitled Helpful Documents. In fact, here's a sample page. I'm just going to rename that Helpful Documents. Helpful Documents. And I'm going to get rid of this dummy text. And I'm going to put in the ABCs of Skype. Find here. And I'm going to use the words "find here" as my link. And I'm going to create a link. And since that code is still in my clipboard that I copied, I'm just going to paste. And you'll see this is the unique URL from that PDF. I'm going to open that in a new window, ABCs, and I'm going to add the link. And I'm going to update the page. Okay. So if I go to view my site, okay. So now that I have created that page and I have the page tab here, and I go to helpful documents, if I click right here, find here, the ABCs of Skype, there is my PDF document coming up here on the page. Well, I hope that this episode of iWork Weekly has been helpful. Please come back soon, where we will have more tips and tricks for the Mac computer. Bye-bye.